something's going on here, right? There's a bunch of younger demographics jumping on Instagram. Because remember, Instagram was just sharing photos. Then they integrated the video side when Vine was still around. Then they saw what Snapchat was doing and they integrated filters from Snapchat, right? Facebook's MO is not innovate. It's renovate, right? They take something that looked like it was working over there and they're like, you know what, let's take that, spruce it up a little bit, put it in our platform. We've basically took a beaten down house and made it look great again, right? That's their whole approach. And they saw that with TikTok and they built Reels. All Reels is a condensed version of IGTV, which IGTV is ripping off YouTube. So you could see they just bring in these alternative ways of showcasing content on a platform and just integrate it into what they got. They tried going the TV route by making Facebook Watch, and then they realized not many people are going to sit on Facebook just watching content all the way through unless it is a mini show, 5 minutes to maybe 20 minutes long, and it's something they can consume like a YouTube video. Once they figured that out, now they have exclusive shows. Now they got Facebook gaming and all this other stuff, which is difficult to grow because they got Twitch and all these other platforms that focus just on that. So they're great at borrowing ideas. If they're going to innovate, that's tough, but I think they have the right approach for acquisition, where it's like they see something growing, buy it now, integrate it. They already have 1 billion plus people on the platform. Just capitalize off that. Find other ways for people to advertise outside of just the main Facebook marketplace.